Seed heads are a really fun way to do some growing at home. You just need a pop sock or an old pair of tights and cut the foot off. Then in the bottom of the sock you put a handful of grass seed, or the seeds that you want to grow. On top of that you're going to crumble lots of sawdust and push it in, so you're going to create a big ball of sawdust at the bottom of the sock. Then make a knot on the bottom, pull it nice and tight so it's all compacted in there, and then on the side pull out a lump of sawdust and put an elastic band around it, and that's going to be your nose. You can put your goggly eyes on now, or you can put those on after you've got the grass growing. And then you're going to pop the grass in a pot of water so it's upside down, and then later on you can turn it up the other way. With this, if you want to grow something like cress, it's exactly the same process. You pop the seeds in your pop sock and put the sawdust on top. It's just later on you're going to have to cut open the pop sock so that the seeds can actually, the plant can actually grow through, because it can't get through the holes in the sock like grass can. Now don't forget, after you've watered the seed heads, to turn them up the right way and put them on the windowsill. And then you can use your investigations to answer this term's theme questions. Have fun!